people. I'm just kidding. My sister says I'm too serious, or too fake is what she says, on these intros. And I get that, because I am a little bit, because I get so nervous to talk in front of this camera. That is so ridiculous. But she said to just, like, talk as if you're talking to a friend, so here I am. I need some alcohol. Actually, that's a good idea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my summer glow routine, which does not involve the sun. Obviously, I'm not going to show you how I lay out or anything like that. This is a routine that avoids the sun. And so I use a tanner, a shimmer, and a highlight. And if you want to see how I get my summer glow, keep watching. So the first thing I do to achieve my summer glow, I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's because it's a YouTube thing to do. I'm just gonna talk normally. And my normal, I mean, I have a hard time talking to begin with. So the first thing I do to achieve my summer glow is this NKD SKN Organic Gradual Glow. It is a white creamy consistency, so it looks like this, and you just rub it into your skin. It's getting all over my pants. And I like to start with my arms, and I put a decent amount on my arms, and I rub it on this part of my arm first, and then up here, and then whatever's left over I rub on my elbows and my wrists. And then I do my legs, like a lot on my thighs and my calf, and then on my knees and my like my ankle or my heels, I use whatever is left over from my thigh and my calf. And so I'm just gonna rub this in, and it's gonna look all janky probably later. I will say I am very scared of self-tanner. I do not do those self-tanners that give you an immediate tan, just because I'm terrified of being orange. I don't like the discoloration in your skin. Once it's faded, it just looks weird. So I start out with a gradual glow like this. I've used Jergens before, and I'd say that Jergens makes me look very orange and unnatural. And this has been the best gradual tanner I've ever used. This one's for your face and your body, so you can put on your face. I don't, just because I don't want my face, I just don't do it. I'd rather just put makeup on and match it to my body. Also with this, it doesn't have a smell initially, but as it develops, it definitely has a scent. It's not super strong like Jergens, like, you know, when you put on Jergens right away, it stinks. This does not, but it does have a little bit of a scent as it sits on your skin. I tend to put this on after I exfoliate and all that stuff in the shower, and I'll sleep in it, and it doesn't stain my sheets at all or anything like that. So this is my first step. And my second step to achieve my summer glow is this Coppertone Glow. It's a shimmer, and it has SPF 15 in it. I know there are a lot of expensive shimmers out there. I am not willing to spend a lot of money on these shimmers just to put glitter on my skin. So I found this on Amazon. Man, I wish I remembered how much it was. It's only a couple bucks, and so and it has SPF in it, which is great because not only do you have glow on your skin, but you're also protecting your skin, which is great. And so I'll show you this. So this comes out a little, comes out like this color, whatever color that is. And I just rub it into my skin, like so. Oh. I'm gonna use two hands for this one. And so just rub it into your skin, and you could already see I'm like getting dewy. Look at that. So I am protecting my skin with this SPF, but it does a good job of making your skin look shiny and dewy and just gives you that summer glow that you need without spending a lot of money, which is great. I will say it is pretty sparkly, so it does transfer to certain things, but I mean, for a cheap option, why not, right? So yeah, look at that. Ooh, so glowy. Okay. So this is my second step. So the third step to achieving a summer glow is to put highlight on the high points of your chest and your shoulders. So just the first thing you do is bring your collarbones forward, and so you can see my collarbones right here, and then right on your like the shiny points of your shoulders. And so I'm going to take this Pixi palette. This is the Romantic Radiance palette, and I'm going to go in, so here are the shades right here, I don't know if you can see. I'm going to go in with these two. I'm probably going to mix these two together. And I'm just going to take a highlighting brush, and I'm going to bring my collarbones forward, and I'm just going to highlight them just like that. So, sorry, I'm looking at the screen. I like need to see what I'm doing. So I just place that right on my collarbone, and this gives like the illusion that you're like a skinny mini, you know? I love to do this when I feel not my best. Okay, so you place that right on your collarbones, and I feel like I've already put way too much on. And then right on your shoulder like that, at the front of your shoulders. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Dang, that looks good. So yeah, guys, that is how I create my summer glow. Look at that. So shiny, so delicious, you know? Just kidding. But yeah, look at that. When you bring your collarbones forward, it looks great. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.